In this video, I'm teaching you about calculating a percentage of a whole. And a percentage is actually just like a fraction, 15 out of 100. This is just like a shortened form of saying 15 over 100. If I wanted to calculate 100% of something, it would be all of it. But I want to show you that, like if I asked you, what is 100% of 475? I could type in 475, and then I could multiply that by 100, and I would go get the percent sign, and it would give me the answer 475. Well, if I wanted 10% of 475, I would type 475 in and multiply that times 10%. To get the percent key, you can see it's in green, and I have to press the second key to get the green, and it's located on top of the parentheses. So, depending on what percent you want of a number, if you want a piece of a whole, you multiply it, because it's like saying the number 15% of the time, okay? In this situation, it says your company has decided to give 15% of all weekend sales to community charity. If the total weekend sales are $7,520, your company would give $1,128. Is that true or false? Well, if we want 15% of that number, we just have to say 7,520 times 15%. And if I want to use my calculator to do that, I'm just going to say 7,520 times 15. Go get the percent sign. And I get $1,128, which is what they said. So this statement would be true. $1,128 is 15% of 7,520. Okay? So anytime you're looking for the percent of a whole number, you can just multiply them. If for some reason you were going to multiply it on paper, you actually have to change your percent into a decimal. The calculator already knows to do that, but if you were doing it manually on paper, you'd need to do it yourself. So if you have 15%, you have to move the decimal 2 times to the left. There's a decimal on every number that you can't see, and it becomes visible if you move it into place. And so when I move this one 2 places to the left, I multiply 7,520 times 0.15. I multiply the 5 times all the top numbers. And then I multiply the 1 by all the numbers. Then I add it together. And then I place the decimal 2 places into the answer, just as it was 2 places into the problem. And I end up with the same answer. Thank you. Have a good day.